Okay, so it's been raining and dreary. Look how dreary. Even the skies are gray. And for some reason, my sweet DJ thinks the best place is to be on top of my grandpa's truck, even though it's raining. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Talking about you. You're wet. Aren't you? Ugh. That cat's just, the fur feels so awful. And my rat, especially flea free, he's having a fit. I think he can hear me. I wouldn't be surprised. He's got like big old ears. He's got those big ears. He probably hears everything. Might even pick up radio signals. Houdini's out there. Let us see Houdini in her natural habitat. Oh. Look at her. Poised. Nope. I thought you was gonna get a bird. Was you not gonna get a bird? Oh Lord, she's wet too. Why is everyone wet? Because it rains. It's rain. Everybody's wet. I have to remember that. Oh, my shoes feel soaked. Hi, Lolo. And then we got Tabitha. Charlie. He's after flies. Little Houdini. Oh, I don't like it when it rains. It gets so dreary and I can only do so much. Yes, this is me whining. Ugh. Well, I guess we can go see Duchess and Rat. No, Bobby, you can't get in the house. You're wet too. Oh, oh, oh. I'm getting wet. I may not be allowed back in the house. What did you do? And I know it was you, don't lie. Oh. Houdini and little rat are friends. Look at them. Duchess. I'm more interested in the rat and Houdini. Why are you scratching? Why is you scratching? I checked you for fleas this morning. You had none. You had none. Did you let more on you? Do you not remember that bath we gave you yesterday? You didn't like it at one little bit. He probably just has itchy skin. I'm hoping that's what it is. Because otherwise you're a flea bag again. Yeah. What? What? No. Why you gotta be cute? Why are you cute? Why you cute? Why? Why must you be cute, little rat? And why must you do things like that? What's the point of that? Oh! Oh, he climbing me. He climbing me. Go get little, yeah, go get Houdini. Give Houdini. Oh, Houdini, play nice. No, yuck. Y'all are precious. I'm gonna leave it on this note before Houdini smacks the crap out of the little rat. Because I would cry. But look at the precious. Yeah, they're cute together.